I'm Anil Kumar, and as per the request by my subscriber on YouTube, here is a video on solving linear inequality. Now in this inequality, we have variable on both sides. We also have fractions involved, and as we solve the question, we will also notice that we will be multiplying by negative numbers and thereby reversing the inequality sign. So we'll learn three things in this particular question. X minus 4 divided by 5 greater than equal to x plus 2 divided by 2. Since we have fractions, first step should be to get rid of fraction. That means multiply by lowest common denominator. Now in this case, lowest common denominator is 5 times 2, 10. So if I multiply the term on the left by 10, 5 goes 2 times, and on the right side 10 divided by 2 is 5. So effectively we are multiplying the term on the left by 2 and on the right by 5. So instead of multiplying by LCD, at times what we also adopt is cross multiplication. So in such situations, multiplying by lowest common denominator on both sides or cross multiplication is kind of same thing. So let's do either one of them. Let me call it cross multiplication for the time being. So when I cross multiply, I get 2 times x minus 4 on the left side greater than equal to 5 times x plus 2 on the right side. Now we can apply distributive property and expand. So we get 2 times x is 2x minus 4 times 2 is 8 is greater than equals to 5x plus 10. We have variables on both the sides. We need to solve for the variable, so we have to bring them to one side and the constants to the other. So we can add 8 on both sides and subtract 5x. So if we rearrange, we get 2x minus 5x is greater than equals to 10 plus 8. So at this stage, we have added plus 8 both sides and minus 5x on both sides. And then we simplify. So when we simplify, we get the value of x. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x, which is greater than equals to 18. We need x, so we have to divide by minus 3. So when I divide by minus 3, let me rewrite here. Minus 3x divided by minus 3 on both sides. Then I should also change the sign, because we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number. So the inequality now becomes less than equal to. This is a very critical step. And we get x is less than equal to 18 divided by minus 3, which is minus 6. So that is our answer, right? So remember this part. So whenever you times by a negative number, inequality changes. And then we get our solution as x is less than equal to minus 6. Now at times you may be asked to show it on a number line. So let me just show the solution on a number line. Let's say this is 0 for us. When we say x is less than equal to minus 6 will be somewhere here. Because it is less than equal to, we'll have filled in circle and everything to the left side of minus 6. This is minus 6 for us. So that is the solution on a number line. It's also a good idea to check your solution. So you can substitute a value which is on the right side of minus 6. In this case it is 0. It is a very good value to check to see whether 0 is in the solution or not. In our case we are saying it is not. So let's substitute 0 here. If I substitute 0, I get minus 4 over 5, which is a negative number. And on this side, if I write 0, we get 2 over 2, which is positive. And definitely, negative number is not greater than positive, and therefore 0 is not a part of solution. So whatever solution we are giving is good enough. You can substitute a value, let us say, minus 7. Now if I write minus 7 here, I get minus 7 minus 4 as minus 11 divided by 5, right? So let's put the values and check it for once. So we'll do check on this side. So if I substitute minus 7, I get minus 7 minus 4 divided by 5. This is equals to minus 11 over 5. That is my left side, right? And on the right side, I've got minus 7 plus 2 divided by 2, and that is equals to minus 5 divided by 2, right? You can convert to decimals if that is more convenient, or you can make same denominators. Let's make same denominators. That means let me multiply this by 5. Then we get 10 here, right? So minus 25 over 10. And in this case, if I multiply by 2, I get minus 22 over 10. Do you see that? And minus 22 over 10 is indeed greater than minus 25 over 10, right? So in negative numbers, whichever is there on the right side is greater. Minus 22 is on the right side, so it is greater. I hope with this example, you understand how to solve inequality when we have variables on both the sides, we have fractions, and also when negative numbers are involved. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.